Hi, I'm Erin Henley, professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to do-it-yourself hand cream. And you really only need 2 items, which is convenient. You're going to need your petroleum jelly and milk. So these items are just things that you probably already have around the house, which is convenient. And they also don't cost a lot of money. So if you want to try this out, it can be good for the economical circumstances. So we're just going to go in with the sponge. Obviously, if you're near a sink and you can make this into a paste, that's even better. And we're just going to pretty much absorb a bunch of this milk into this sponge. And then going in with our petroleum jelly. The 2 combined are going to create this nice cream for our hands. And so I just combine the 2. And we're really just applying it to any of the areas on your hand that are dry. And the reason why we're not just using petroleum jelly, the milk kind of tones down the greasiness of the Vaseline. And that's something that we want to make sure doesn't happen, because we don't want greasy hands when we're working with things. We just want them moisturized. So the milk really just enhances the smoothness of the skin and makes it a little more supple. So it's really the combination of the 2 that provide it to be an actual hand cream. Make sure you get your knuckles. And this can be applied on other areas of the body as well. But primarily, it makes for a great hand cream. I'm Erin Henley, and I just showed you how to do-it-yourself hand cream.